Guys, so I'm on my way to the second checkpoint, the second corner of the US. I'm about 20 something kilometers away, and guess what? 20. I was wondering why it was honey. Apparently he was trying to draw my attention to stop. There's no way I wouldn't have stopped. It's cold. Man, it's cold. 7 degrees in Madawaska this evening, and I still have an hour of riding to go back. So my hands are freezing. It's not just the temperature, but the wind when you ride. So I came into the Kmart. That's what the lady at the gas station advised. And they have winter gloves. They told me they would do the trick. So I'm going to put on my winter gloves. I just bought 21 US and see how it goes.